Hey friends, it's Teresa here and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to play again with the Island Time digital collection from Traci Designs. This is a layout I created for the Instagram hop with the release of this collection. And so early on when I received this collection to work with, I had created this background page for an Instagram reel, and of course had to use it for a layout. And so I decided that I wanted to create more depth by bringing in a circle of hibiscus flowers around those clouds. And so the way that I created that background is just in Photoshop, bring in a couple of the solid cardstock colors from the collection, and there are two mixed media elements in the kit, and bring those in as well, and then just use the eraser tool. That's probably not the professional official way to do it, but that's okay. Bring that in, use that eraser tool to blend those out and sort of let different colors of the cardstock show through behind the sky, and to blend that sky out a little bit. And it turned out gorgeous. And so then when I was ready to make the layout, I printed and cut a bunch of these hibiscus and am now adhering those onto the page. I'm using pop dots for these flowers so that they have a little more depth as well. The sky itself has this beautiful depth and dimension to it. That mixed media element is gorgeous, and I am stunned by it. So adding more depth here with the flowers just by popping them up off the page. And then once I have these all adhered down, now you'll notice that I'm leaving a little space at the bottom right corner there of the layout, and that's going to be where my photo is going to go. And I'm also going to add, of course, a space for journaling and some more little icons from the collection. So approaching this in a very thoughtful and pre-thought out way. So the photo that I have is another one from 2012 from our Outer Banks trip that April. And so this is Asher and Addison walking out to the water. Look how tiny they are. This seemed like the perfect kind of photo for this kind of dreamy layout. And so you can see the other things that I'm adding. The little palm tree, I already mentioned how much I love the palm trees in this collection. That adorable little plane, I love that little plane. I had so much fun with that element from this collection. I'm using a little ticket label there for my journaling, and then also adding some of these leaves around the circle around the wreath as well. They add that perfect little punch of green, and of course every bunch of flowers has leaves like this. I love that there were monstera leaves included. There are also palm fronds in the collection. I didn't use those for this layout particularly, no particular reason. Just wanted the green from these leaves really was what I was going after. And then I've also tucked the little flip-flops, the rainbow flip-flops. I'm minorly obsessed with those. They're so cute. And then I guess what serves as the title for this page is the word strip, which says, "Don't worry, be happy." And then also the little sunglasses. That's so cute. And just some little tiny elements here that were my favorites that sort of add a little punch to the layout. I'm going to write out my journaling here just a little bit, and debated whether it needed another word strip, but I think that one is just fine. And then also using this little beach sign, another one of my favorites. And then I felt like there was the little turtle here, so I'm gonna add him, like he's watching them, he's watching out for them. And then I realized there was also a dolphin, and so I'm gonna tuck him over here as well. Notice how they're both facing into the layout, of course, so that they're just sort of silent observers there, watching over these cute little kiddos. All right, that was easy enough to put together. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll check out the Island Time collection from Traci Reed Designs, and I will see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye.